fuck?
They're bringing the door too.
Saw Portal 2 and Portal Revolution. Yeah, Portal Revolution is a pop.
What? Both dictate like
Oh!
what the fuck was that?
What?
Oh my god. I don't know what the fuck.
Oh, I mean your left. Dude, you're supposed to sit on your left. You fucking left.
Oh.
Oh.
Fucking.
Didn't even have a chance. Just turned the corner. Guy needs to kill. Oh.
Yeah. So I was running that last item.
Oh, that was a bad idea.
We got this place.
Hey DJ.
Mm-hmm.
Rar.
Rar.
Oh.
Oh, I got a
Propane
banjo.
and propane accessories. Oh, that's a diamond. Okay.
Oh! The guitar.
Bring me that small cart, little boy. O'Reilly's Auto Parts. Ow! Ciao. And imagine, we still have a whole place to loot.
No, we don't.
Yeah,
What do you mean we don't?
What do you mean?
We're here. What am I hearing? No,
Oh, I hear that too.
little pricks.
No.
Yeah, get him out of here. Head.
All right. Why?
What?
I
I have a crown. Where's the cart?
Right here.
You guys missed this crown by spawn. There's also something apparently off the map over here. I don't know if you...
What am I looking at? What is that thing? What is that thing? Guys, 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 guys. Where'd you go? Ah! Ah! Not nice, not nice, not nice, not nice, not nice. I'm a friend.
What's that thing?
Stop looking at me!
Uh-oh.
Why did it attack me?
Thing it. Oh.
Oh, okay. Here, you go.
We do need to.
Can you lift it up higher?
Oh, I'm trying. I need to adjust my grip real quick.
Okay, I got it.
Okay. Okay.
Where is the exfil?
I have to keep going straight back.
Oh.
Alright, I'll follow you. What is that?
God damn it! I heard it and I couldn't do anything about it. Joe's about to fucking. Oh, he sees. What was that?
I just saw it walking up behind you. I'm just like, uh-oh.
Yeah.
What
Motherfucker.
is he doing? He's gonna destroy the box.
The box is really easy to destroy.
Head's like the worst. Hey, now they know. Now he knows where they're going.
Yeah, the head is really tough.
I have no clue like why it started going after me. I was just looking at it from across the room and it just like pinpointed on me.
Yeah, I think once it locks onto someone, it doesn't stop. What the fuck, Dan?
Just watching Dan drop this thing over and over again.
Yeah.
Hey, found your mini cart. Where's the extraction?
Down here.
Just off the distance down here.
Down here, yeah. Alright. Gotta lock this 3D printer down.
I got it. I
Spent
got it.
8 years smashing into the
Also, I
floor to
need
get
both
into
of
the
your
card.
guys'
That's now
help.
not in the card.
That's now worth $20.
DJ is dead as well as Tyler. Cool. Cool.
Oh. Look at them.
They're bringing the door too.
Yeah, I guess we will.
Okay.
Okay,
Don't-
I need your help. I need your help. You both need to come with me.
Is Tyler dead?
Don't sprint. No, don't sprint. Don't sprint. Because we don't want to waste it. Because it would be useful to have it with what we're carrying. So, because Tyler died carrying this.
Of course.
So,
Is it the
so you
box
guys should
that
definitely
pulls
keep carrying
monsters
this.
or-
Yeah.
No, it's a box that
What a great
breaks.
argument.
Yeah. Don't tell them that there's a head.
But
Just
he
tell them
died
that
from the
like
head,
you
man. I
need.
heard
Oh,
it.
they know
Okay,
there's a
there we
head.
go. Okay.
I don't know if you heard me.
That's how they
clamping my
watched me
feet
die.
Together. But
Yeah.
all right,
They
to the
both
right.
stood around me and did nothing about it.
Yeah, this thing right here.
Terrible.
Not
friends.
much you can do, I guess.
If one of you wants to
to
walk
be
backwards,
fair.
I'll grab this over here.
I
One of
can't
you
wait till
wants to walk
Aiden
back.
just
Do we not have
touches
Aiden?
it and it blows up.
Nope. That's
Alright,
nice.
cool.
Where's Aiden?
Where's Aiden?
Oh my fucking god.
Hey guys, I need help. Okay, and he just stays in the same place.
Yeah. Just sits there. Oh, nice. Good work.
Yeah,
Alright,
yeah, we're gonna have to
So
lower
far.
it.
and it's like,
Alright,
alright, let's go back on Facebook dating.
Keep going, go left.
I love like them trying
No,
to
you go left.
both dictate like
Oh!
what what the fuck was that?
Alright, just
Well, now
It's
that's
trapped in the
fun.
box.
Run. Just keep running, keep running.
Well, that really sucks.
There's gnomes. Break the gnomes, break the gnomes.
How's Aiden doing? Oh, he's fine.
Good.
Another monster spawns.
He's just watching the money disappear.
I went the wrong way.
Yeah, there's also more gnomes.
They really
Fuck
checked
these
that one.
gnomes. I'm
Yeah, I
going
was
up
like, where'd
here.
it go?
Hey, do you guys know you can go like way the fuck up here?
I was up there.
God,
You-
I really
you
wish there was like
probably
a
did
crazy
not,
monster
because
that
there's a
came
lot
out of that
stuff
thing.
up here. Hey,
Well,
grab the money.
Not this game.
There's a lot of stuff up here that I'm breaking.
Grab the bomb.
Grab the money.
There's a hard
It's fucking shit's all over.
probably. Oh,
He broke something
Aiden's
else.
here.
this is so worth it.
Aiden's here.
This thing worth
Watching
12
him roll.
grand.
Okay.
Oh. Nice. Is it
Oh,
big?
11,783. Here, wait. We're gonna need Ayden's. We're gonna need Ayden's help. Let me go grab the chest. Ayden!
Now he's gone.
You down here? Ayden!
it's fucking awesome. He was literally like in the exact same area. That was awesome. He's behind him.
What the fuck? Where did you come from?
Oh man.
Ayden,
And there he
son
goes.
of a-
It doesn't even help.
Almost died.
back to where he was standing earlier.
Who's is that Ayden typing?
8? Aiden is very loud with the keyboard.
Oh fuck.
Yeah, I know he is, but I think he has his mic muted and he's just
He's
typing.
down there.
Aiden,
He's
stay
right
on
down
that
there.
wooden plank.
Okay.
In front of you to your right.
It's like,
Alright,
God,
now look
where's
up-
his voice
Yeah,
coming
look up to your
from?
right.
God.
Alright, user Dan, jump down there and grab it. Because I got
Dan's
it.
already down there.
Alright, grab it. Grab it.
I'm already grabbing it. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, why am I the only one grabbing it?
No, you and Aiden both had it. It's okay. Alright, don't we have it. Let's go.
Fucking- Oh man. I can watch
Alright,
these
go
fucking
right.
guys
Go right.
all day.
Yep. Go right again. Go right.
Holy shit.
Yep.
I was saying before, like, love how they're all trying to
Down the
dictate, like,
stairs, down the stairs.
how to fucking move
Alright,
to,
go
like, get
right.
the thing the proper way, but, like, no one
And-
needs to say any of
yeah,
that.
hold-
Everyone
hold
knows,
in
like,
here, because we
Yeah.
don't have enough yet.
like, what the fuck to do, like,
Alright, now drop it in there. This is $6,000. So we'll put this. Yeah, we'll put this one right here.
This
And
is
that's
10,
10
dog.
grand.
Yeah, we
Yeah,
have
yeah,
enough.
yeah. Well, no. I know we have enough, but we just gotta position this so they're all in it.
Should be able to fit everything
By
in
the way, I
there.
hope you know,
So,
when you
like,
say
right now,
left
it
and
looks
right,
pretty
you're looking
easy.
at
And
your
you have,
left
like,
and
5
right. You gotta
seconds
tell me
before it
my
goes
left
off.
and right.
You know, honestly, you're right. I mean, you're left. Alright, so put it on your right. Go.
I don't know what the fuck
Oh,
they're
I mean, your left. Dude, you're supposed to sit on your left! You fucking left! Uh-oh.
Alright, Aiden, let's go. You freaking mute.
Hey, Tyler. What up, you retard? Ah, no!
What's that?
Calm down.
No!
Calm down. And now you should freak
Come on,
out.
buddy, let's go.
No!
I just said it's me and you against the world cupcake day.
Ah!
And then I saw a monster and left him behind. I'm like, you're on your own.
Oh, yeah, well, hold on. Alright.
Oh,
Okay, you're a lot easier to carry now you're dead. Oh! Spider! Your head!
Fuck.
Man, they really slapping you good.
Dan, watch out behind you. There's a gnome. So is Aiden dead?
So I literally was carrying Aiden in the cart. And I said it's me and you against the cupcake, and then I saw the head, and I'm like, you're on your own. And
I really hope Aiden's still in the cart! Well,
oh,
Oh, see ya. Oh, I went the wrong.
just charging after Charlie. No, Aiden's still in the cart. He's on an adventure. Stop exploring new worlds. Oh! Well, that was short-lived.
He ain't dead yet.
Oh! Oh, Aiden! What the fuck? You're alive? Ah! I'm gonna die! I'm gonna go find out! No, make it stop! Please!
Aiden's just like on a sailboat, like.
No!
It really is.
Don't worry, he's gonna get there. Slowly but surely. I think gnomes are just completely leaving him alone too. I love it.
I was like, Aiden, you're alive. What the fuck? He should
Dude,
totally
he
kill that.
literally uses that thing as a boat. That's why he likes it.
Oh man, is that why?
And then still just sitting there doing nothing.
Yeah, I hope fucking.
Yeah, he's hiding in front of gnomes. I don't think.
Yeah, there's
Chloe's
like a
hiding
gang
from
of
the head.
gnomes in front of him in the head.
And the
Yeah,
head.
and the head. Guaranteed
Oh, here,
Ayden's
did
gonna leave.
Oh, and the crawly thing.
He already
Oh, right, Dan, right! No, right! Yeah, go that right!
Oh, he knows.
I was right out of
You ain't
sprint.
making it.
He ain't making it.
Figure out which way to go.
Dude, you're going the right way, but you are.
I was what?
You were too far away still. You're going the
far.
right way.
Can I
Who
just
lived,
point
by
out
the way?
how broken
Ayden?
riding in the cart was during that?
Yeah, you're just
Ayden
like
was
chilling.
fucking sailing a boat over there like, we sail
Like,
this heaven seas.
They
We
weren't
go and suck
attacking
these
me at
nuts.
all.
Yeah.
Aiden,
They were murdering you guys, and
You-
I'm just
you
like,
wanna
I'm chilling.
Go down.
I love the baseball bat.
Oh! Oh! Get back! Get back! I can't believe Tyler killed everybody with the baseball bat. It's terrible.
Dude, you didn't kill anybody with a baseball bat. That was a stun mine, you retard.
Man, it's so tragic that y'all died from the baseball bat.
Nobody died from you.
Man, that's just
You think you're good, but you're not.
just really sucks, you know? Just
More people
Terrible.
have died from sucking Ayden's salty nutsack than died from your baseball.
just tragic, really.
Hey, guys.
Hey.
I'm back. Got him good.
So
I'm trying to
laggy.
shoot you.
It's very laggy.
Okay.
I didn't get a single thing of health.
Where are you at? Come here.
I'm at somehow 46.
Okay, would
Oh.
you stop moving?
That's fine.
I can now change channel.
You blame me, okay? I'm at 54.
I
Okay.
should probably have more than one health.
Okay, turn around.
Oh.
Oh.
Fucking. You so strong.
I don't have any strength
Ow.
upgrades.
I wanna go in here. Ooh.
Oh, what's that?
Oh yeah.
Wow! Ow, that really hurt.
Oh, that was a bad idea.
I didn't say that. I just said it hurt a lot.
Yeah, let's do it again. I'll die if I do it one more time. I can't.
Same. I didn't know you could just sit in there. I thought you had to crouch. It was starting to set me off. I'm like,
you
oh.
can- yeah. And a pocket watch.
I hate you so much.
What happened?
Dan almost dropped the diamond.
No, this
let's
motherfucker
see.
launched into me as I was carrying. Just dropped the diamond.
That's
When I
irrelevant.
dropped it, it launched into me. Oh,
Objection.
okay.
Objection, Your Honor.
Yeah. What did he say?
He's got a
Any
hittable
defense?
face. So it was justified.
That is quite sound
Oh,
argument.
Ayden finally moved from the truck.
Update on Ayden. Ayden moved.
Movement has
we
occurred.
can finally win.
Oh, something came through here, probably.
Let you say
Oh, something came through here.
Okay, stop.
Move the cart, you retards!
Probably be easier to bring it to the other extraction that's gonna pop up. Instead of going way back.
Easier to bring it to the other fucking extraction.
Or just
you.
put in the cauldron.
You know what, DJ? If you weren't such a nigger, it would work.
Oh my.
Okay.
By the time we get it back there, it's gonna be like $6 grand.
Fuck you, Dan.
Well, someone bumped into me and it launched the fucking cube.
Pull it to the right, yeah.
Okay, now where's the big
Put
cart?
the goblin head on top of it. Can you help with that?
Can't see shit. Fragile doors. Desert you. Say goodbye. You good over there, buddy? 01, bro, 1, bro. I want to move this to a smaller cart. Where's the smaller cart?
Hey, can I use that giant sword to kill Aiden?
It doesn't work like that. You'll just break it.
Damn.
I think I know where Ayden is. Just a bunch of W's.
Yeah. A lot of things you might want to see.
Oh, there's stairs.
Yeah, look at all
Oh.
the shit up here.
Whoa. Oh my gosh, it's the thing.
I know, right?
Let's find the extraction. Just bring everything to it.
Yeah.
Oh, there's another
We
floor up
can-
here. Look at that.
We can, alright. Here you go.
Got it.
Yeah, it's just a lot of stuff, like...
What?
Oh my god.
No.
Well, we can clear the big cart and then bring it back for some of this bigger stuff that'll fit in it.
There's
What?
extraction right here, but it's gonna be a bitch carrying him up the stairs.
Yeah,
We'll probably need everybody. It's
I don't believe in that. Hello, monsieur. Oh, wow.
Where you at?
I almost
Oh,
fucking
we're-
died.
Dude, where the fuck's the cart?
Over
next to the
there.
other extraction. Just put something in this extraction,
What
then
other
we'll drop
extraction?
everything
You
off.
mean the extraction right over here?
There's
No,
literally
there's
one
another
right
one
here.
down there.
There's
Next to
another one
like,
right
There's
here.
one
next
right
to
over
a
here,
gold
too.
statue, a broom case, and something else that's big.
We
Yeah,
literally
there's a
need
bunch of
700
big
bucks.
shit.
We need $700.
Yeah.
700 bucks. What do you got right there?
Cool, this'll do.
Frog.
Great. Move, move, move. Move.
Oh yeah, there's a chef. Yeah, there's a chef.
I'm taking this in the next direction.
I don't want to close it anyways. Go away, please. Alright, that got annoying really fast.
Yeah, I know. Oh no. I had no idea the scream guy was here. I had no idea the scream guy was
Oh
here.
my god.
What's the scream guy?
Andy, at least I made a noble sacrifice and got it in there before
Yeah,
I
I
died.
finally saw the.
Ho ho ho. Dun, 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 dun. I mean,
may not have just went onto Google.
we could just do the one big thing.
Yeah, Hollywood Undead is good.
Am I missing something? Hold on, what did I miss? Sorry, you were talking and I kind of like zoned out.
Hollywood Undead does it too.
What? No! Stop!
Shit.
But your regular TV won't stop that.
That was
Not my
bullshit.
fault. Dad's probably on his phone and the TV. Everett's probably on his phone. Mom's more than likely on her phone and the TV. I'm on the computer and the phone, and you're on the TV. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm going to use
Surprisingly sick note.
Imagine being a rainbow. Except I can't. Except I can't know because I used to have a time limit on my phone until 4 months ago.
Help.
I'm on my phone and then like.
Help, Aiden. It's too heavy.
Hey, wait, we got a boy. We got a boy that needs
Yeah,
it.
no, don't set that off yet. We have a ton of stuff.
Yeah, well, I got $2,000 from the first spawn that I need to put in here, so.
Then Saturdays and Sundays I had an unlimited.
Why is Fauna talking through Aiden?
Aiden, bring it up here.
Saturday was the best day of the week on my phone for my phone because
No,
unlimited time.
too heavy. We'll bring it up
Sunday
next.
was next best because Friday had 3 hours and no downtime and Sunday had unlimited hours and dying down. Love how you're just listening
Stop,
to this
stop.
conversation. Gosh, why is this TV just like, yeah.
Now we bring up sword.
One of your friends doesn't want to talk at night and you're on the computer, I'd recommend playing on the Portal game. They're like really fun. Portal? Yeah. Okay. I was gonna say the only one that was fun was Portal, but then I saw Portal 2 and Portal Revolution. Yeah, Portal Revolution is a mod. Okay. I'd recommend playing Portal, then Portal 2, then. Well, I'm just saying.
Wait, you guys can hear me?
Yes, you're really loud actually. It's hard to tune you out. Alright, let's carry this other stuff.
Hey, sup, retards?
Okay.
Alright, do you want to put these in together?
Right over here
Where
up
is
these
it?
stairs.
It's up the stairs.
Up the screamer.
That's great.
Howdy.
Didn't even have a chance.
What's that?
Didn't even have a chance. Just turn the corner. Guy needs to kill. Oh.
Yeah. So I was running that. I was running that last item down to fucking the first extraction, and as I around the corner to the extraction, a screamer starts chasing me. I immediately toss the book into the extraction and run, and the screamer kills me seconds after. But I got the book in the extraction, which cleared the extraction. So, win.
Look, Ayden's
Yeah, it's
about to
fine.
freak out when he realizes we're gonna leave.
Oh.
Dude,
That was your problem solved.
yeah, problem solved.
Alright.
Alright. Somebody dedicate themselves to that cart. Let's grab the bowl.
You know, I didn't even think about it, but reviving you guys, now we have plenty of manpower to carry the ball however we want.
If we all survive.
Also, did you see me roll down these stairs?
Yes,
with
that
the
was
fucking-
hilarious.
I'm gonna take this over to the
It was right past Joe as he's like fearing for his life. Yeah, 40,000.
Yeah, dude, it's a lot of money.
If it makes the next one. Where is the next one?
Yeah, we need.
Alright.
It's a ways
Gives
away.
us a pinpoint, so.
Yeah.
I'm so glad we revived everybody just for us two to.
Yeah, we definitely need more help.
I'm coming.
Thanks for
Also,
coming.
Ayden's head in the mini cart is pretty funny. I got the back end.
Uh-oh.
Alright, everybody grab it. Lift it up. Down.
It's fine. It's fine.
Now lift it up.
Alright, let's get that bag of money. Oh, it's already here.
Alright. Put it in. No, we gotta put it further.
Yeah, there
Alright,
you
put
go.
the bag of money.
Perfect.
Yes.
Woo! Dude, we're loaded. We're actually fucking
Hell
loaded.
yeah.
Let's go.
We have so much money. Oh my
Oh, yeah.
god. Woo!
Kill him! Kill him! Kill him!
DJ, look out! Ow! My powers have been lost. Hi. You missed me. Go.
Damn it!
Wow, that really isn't cool.
And start the truck.
Yeah, so it turns out Ayden is alive and has a mini cart back at the ship.
Good.
Yeah, well that pisses me off because the only reason I died was I was looking for him.
Less pressure for,
What?
Someone must have brought him back, because he was definitely dead.
Yeah, staring at each other and just... Hey, what are you doing tomorrow?
Alright, just walk past my head.
Oh, fuck me.
DJ, what are you doing tomorrow?
I got school.
Yeah, what about in the afternoon? Get fucked, idiot. Now you can watch these two retards. No, never mind.